I just bought this old antique piggy bank pig head here. Something that I can put all my pennies in. Speaking of pennies, New Year's is coming and we got a party for you, and it's for a very good cause. Here's how you're gonna learn about it. On this side, we're gonna see Elise Hempel from Petaluma People Services, and she's gonna tell you where all the money goes. And on this side, you're gonna see Buffalo Billiards, where this party is gonna take place, and all of the wonderful things that are gonna be happening. So, both sides win. Come with me.
Hello, I'm Elise Hempel. I'm the Executive Director of Petaluma People Services Center. We have a great project that we want you to get involved in. We have a farm, and that farm is called the Petaluma Bounty Farm. And at that farm, we grow food for families who have a need to solve hunger. With that food that we grow, we always get help from volunteers to help us plant it and to sow it and harvest it. But what we really need is help buying seeds. Those seeds that we buy help us feed thousands of people in our community. So we have the Petaluma Bounty Penny Harvest.
We interrupt this program to reveal all the Buffalo Billiards crazy activities this New Year's Eve to help the Petaluma People Services Center and Petaluma Bounty harvest more pennies so they can buy more seeds to help stop hunger now. Bring your pennies and get in free for live music, piñata bashing, finger food, free ping pong, darts and pool tournament for beginners to pro, raffles for great merchandise, gift certificates, and trips. All for just collecting up your pennies and dropping them at the front door. Help stop hunger. Help buy seeds. We now return you to your regularly scheduled program.
With those seeds that we buy, we're able to plant them. That plant grows and produces vegetables. Those vegetables help us feed not just one, not just two, but sometimes up to 10 families. So a penny could help us feed 10 families in this community. We need your help by coming down to Buffalo Billiards and participating there. So come on down, help us feed people.